Currently, there have been numerous leaks surrounding the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, although most of them have been in the form of renderings rather than actual photographs. However, recently, we have come across real images or, at the very least, pictures of a non-functional prototype. Leakspinner has emerged as a reliable source for these leaks, sharing them on /leaks. The website claims that Leakspinner has an impressive accuracy rate of 86% based on 1,697 leaks. These images showcase a foldable screen with a punch-hole camera positioned at the top and minimal bezels. The phone's design closely resembles what we have seen before, featuring a large cover display that curves around the dual-lens camera. On the right side of the device, you can find the power and volume controls, while the SIM card slot is located on the left. The bottom edge of the phone houses a USB-C port and a speaker grill. In the accompanying video, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is held to provide a sense of its size, which appears to be similar to that of its predecessor, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. It's important to note that a mock-up phone, like the one shown in the images, is a non-functional model created for accessory manufacturers to design and produce cases and other accessories. While these mock-ups often accurately represent the final product, the origin of this specific one remains unknown. Nevertheless, the leaked information aligns with other leaks surrounding the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. With its official introduction slated for July 26, it is reasonable to assume that most of the leaks at this point are accurate, while specific specifications are not provided in the leaked material. Based on previous rumors, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is expected to feature a larger 3.4 inches cover screen compared to the Z Flip 4. However, the primary display size is likely to remain at 6.7 inches. Rumored advancements for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 include the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and an innovative hinge design that allows the two halves of the phone to lie flat against each other, in addition to the cover screen. It is also likely that the device will support Samsung DeX, enabling users to transform it into a desktop-like experience using an external screen. With July 26 rapidly approaching, we will soon have official confirmation. The announcement event will not only unveil the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 but also the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. So, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video for more content like this. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.